She doesn't melt for muscles, money, or smooth lines. She melts when a man makes her feel something she can't explain but can't resist. Most men never realize this, but attraction for a woman is not logical. It's emotional, psychological, and deeply instinctive. She doesn't fall for what you say. She falls for how you make her feel without trying. And this is where Stoicism becomes your unfair advantage because when you understand how to control yourself, you begin to control the emotional atmosphere around her. And what she's really responding to is not your words, but your presence. The first thing that makes a woman melt is emotional calm in moments where most men react. Few men understand this. When she tests you, teases you, challenges you, or even ignores you a little, she's not trying to annoy you. What she's really doing is watching how stable you are. Most men fail here. They become reactive, defensive, eager to prove themselves. But when you remain calm, relaxed, unbothered, you communicate something powerful without saying a word. You show emotional strength. You show that her mood does not control you. And this changes everything because to her, you now feel like a man who is grounded, safe, and mentally strong. That kind of stability is deeply attractive to the feminine mind. The second thing that makes her melt is controlled attention. The truth nobody says out loud is that women don't fall for men who give them unlimited attention. They fall for men whose attention feels earned. When you don't instantly reply, don't chase every conversation, don't make her the center of your world, she begins to value your time. And what she's really feeling is curiosity. Why isn't he like the others? Why doesn't he seem desperate? Why does his attention feel rare? Scarcity creates value. Stoic men naturally do this because they are focused on their purpose, not obsessed with her. She feels that your life is full without her. She begins to want to be part of it. The third thing that melts her is mystery created by restraint. Most men talk too much. They explain themselves, overshare, and try to impress with words. But here's where it gets interesting. The less you reveal, the more she wants to know. When you answer calmly, briefly, and leave space in conversations, her mind starts filling in the blanks, and her imagination will always create a version of you more attractive than anything you could say. Stoicism teaches restraint. Speak less, observe more. Smile slightly. Hold eye contact a second longer than normal. These small actions make her feel tension she doesn't understand, and that tension turns into attraction. The fourth thing that makes a woman melt is quiet confidence without validation seeking. Most men want reassurance. They want compliments. They want to know she likes them. But what she's really attracted to is a man who doesn't need her approval to feel valuable. When you don't fish for praise, don't try to impress, and don't adjust yourself to win her over, she feels your inner strength. She sees a man who already knows his worth, and that is incredibly rare. This changes everything because now she starts trying to impress you. She starts wondering what she can do to earn your attention. And when that shift happens, attraction flips in your favor. The fifth thing that melts her is emotional non-neediness. This is the mindset shift most men need. You don't talk to her because you need her. You talk to her because you choose to. You don't stay calm because you're trying to act cool. You stay calm because you genuinely don't fear losing her. That energy is powerful. When she feels that you are okay with or without her, she feels drawn towards you because women are naturally attracted to men who are emotionally self-sufficient. The man who is not afraid to walk away is the man she fears losing. Most men think attraction is about doing more texting, more compliments, more effort. But Stoicism teaches the opposite. Attraction grows when you do less, but with more presence. Less talking, more observing, less reacting, more understanding, less chasing, more choosing. And what she's really responding to is how you make her feel inside. Calm, curious, slightly unsure, emotionally safe, intrigued. These feelings are addictive. She may not even be able to explain why she likes being around you. She just feels different when she is. And that's when you know you've reached a level most men never do. But here's where it gets even more interesting. When you apply these principles, you stop performing for her. You stop trying to win her. You simply exist in your natural masculine frame. And paradoxically, that's when she feels most drawn to you because authenticity mixed with emotional control is incredibly attractive. She doesn't melt because you're loud. She melts because you're composed. She doesn't melt because you chase. She melts because you're centered. She doesn't melt because you impress. She melts because you are unaffected. When she sees that her emotions don't shake you, her respect for you grows. When she feels that your attention is not easily gained, her interest deepens. When she senses mystery instead of predictability, her curiosity intensifies. When she notices that you don't need validation, she begins to validate you. And when she feels that you're emotionally independent, she feels safe being emotionally open. This is the truth nobody says out loud. Women are not attracted to effort. They are attracted to emotional experience, and the man who controls himself controls the experience. So the next time you interact with her, don't think about what to say. Think about how to be. Be calm, be measured, be present, be unfazed. Let her feel your stillness. Let her feel that you are not trying, because when you stop trying to create attraction, attraction starts happening naturally. And once you understand this, you realize something powerful. You don't need tricks, lines, or tactics. You need emotional mastery. You need stoic presence. You need to become the man who is internally so strong that her emotions begin to orbit around yours. That's when she melts without knowing why. If this opened your eyes, subscribe now, because most men will never hear this truth.